the magnetic field along the propagation direction inside a rectangular waveguide with the cross section shown in the figure is Hz equal to 3 cos 2.094 into 10 square x into cos 2.618 into 10 square y cos 6.283 into 10 power 10 t minus beta z. The phase velocity Vp of the wave inside the waveguide satisfies. The options are Vp greater than C, Vp equal to C, 0 less than Vp less than C, Vp equal to 0. Vp is the phase velocity he has given. Okay. Inside a rectangular waveguide, he has given how the magnetic field is propagating. And he is asking what is the phase velocity of that wave which is propagating. Okay. First of all, write the general expression of magnetic field inside a waveguide. Hz, what do we write generally? Hz is some Hz naught, some constant, into how much? Cos m pi by a into x, right? Cos n pi by b into y into e power minus j omega t minus beta z. E power minus j omega or e power j omega, anything. We only want cos omega t minus beta z. This term can be replaced as cosine also. Cos omega t minus beta z also. We just want to know that this is the phase term. Omega t minus beta z is the phase term. Okay. Here he has given cos m pi by a into x, cos n pi by b into y into cos omega t minus beta z. Therefore, from here I can infer omega is how much? 6.283 into 10 power 10 radian per second. Radian. Okay. Now tell me m pi by a is how much? 2.094 into 10 square. And similarly, what is n pi by b? This is n pi by b, right? This one is n pi by b. Therefore, n pi by b equal to 2.618 into 10 square. That is this one. And m pi by a is this one, 2.094 into 10 square. Okay. Now we shall calculate what is m pi by a, m and n values first of all. What is a? A is the broader dimension of the rectangular waveguide. That is, a is this one and b is the smaller dimension 1.2. A is 3 centimeter, b is equal to 1.2 centimeter. Okay, A is 3 centimeter, we can substitute it here, and B is 1.2 centimeter. Write centimeter better. M pi equal to 2.094 into 10 square into 3 into 10 power minus 2 for converting into meter, which gives how much? 2.094 into 3 by 3.142, that is pi. Okay. What is n? 2.618 into 100 into 1.2 into 10 power minus 2 by 3.14. We shall calculate what is m and n. Is 1.999, means how much? 2 approximately. This is equal to 2. .142, which is giving 0.9998, which means n is equal to 1. Okay, and m is equal to how much? 2. In a rectangular waveguide, what did we derive now? We just wrote the standard expression and we wrote which mode is traveling. The mode traveling is nothing but 2-1 mode. Okay, this can be TE mode or TM mode, but it is 2-1 mode. What is the cutoff frequency for 2-1 mode? If it whatever it is, TE mode or TM mode, the cutoff frequency Fc is equal to 1 by 2 into square root of mu into epsilon into what? Square root of m by a whole square plus n by b whole square. This is a very important formula for GATE exam. Every year some question will be revolving around this formula. Cutoff frequency of a rectangular waveguide. Okay, let us just calculate the cutoff frequency. What we'll get, we'll see. 1 by 2 into, what is 1 by square root of mu into epsilon? He has not given about mu and epsilon, so we can assume it as a free space. Therefore, it is 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Okay. Into square root of, or into, we'll assume this as centimeter per second. Therefore, this becomes 10 power 10. 3 into 10 power 10. Okay. M is how much? 2. By how many centimeters? A is how much? 3 and B is 1.2. Here A is 3 and B is 1.2. 2 by 3 whole square plus 1 by 1.2 whole square. Which gives how much? Let's calculate this one. 0.66 into 0.66, which is 0.344356 plus 1 by 1.2. 0.69, which can be assumed as 0.7. Okay, we'll add this one plus 0.4356. Square root of this is what we need. It is 1.063. Into 1.5. 1.59, that is 1.6 into 10 power 10 we are getting. This is approximately 0.69. Fc is equal to 1.5 into square root of 0.43, 0.44 we will assume, and 0.69 into 10 power 10, which gives us Fc to be 1.6 into 10 power 10 nearly. These many hertz. This is the cutoff frequency of 2-1 mode. Now we shall see what is the frequency at which it is going. It is going at omega minus omega t minus beta z. Omega is given as 6.283 into 10 power 10. Therefore, f is how much? 2 pi f is 6.283 into 10 power 10. What is the frequency at which it is going? 6.283 by 2 into 3.14 into 10 power 10. which is 1.0004. Therefore, f is how much? 1.1 into 10 power 10 hertz we can think. Okay. Therefore, the wave is traveling at f equal to 1 into 10 power 10 hertz. But what did we get the cutoff frequency? Cutoff frequency is this one. What does cutoff frequency tell us? Waveguide actually behaves as a high pass filter, means up till 1.6, that is the cutoff frequency. Up till this cutoff frequency 1.6 into 10 power 10, f in hertz, it will not allow anything. The output transfer function we will say, and after this only it will allow everything to go. This is high pass filter of a model of a waveguide. Okay. Therefore, as the operating frequency as at this point, that is 1 into 10 power 10, means what? This is a wave which cannot propagate into it. It dies very soon. Therefore, the phase velocity is equal to 0. Why? Because the frequency is below the cutoff frequency. Therefore, phase velocity will be 0. Okay. Therefore, D is the correct option here.